Good afternoon. We are going to demonstrate
How to attend request
a laundry service.
Good afternoon, housekeeping department. This is Marites. How may I help you?
Good afternoon. May I request for a laundry service?
First, sir, but before anything else, may I know your name and your room number, please?
Okay. I'm Lance from 101.
Okay, sir. What time do you want us to pick up your laundry?
Yes, I would like you to pick up my laundry as soon as possible, please.
Okay, sir. May I repeat your request? Sir Nilo of room 11, you are requesting for a laundry service. Am I right, sir?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, sir. Is there anything else that you need, sir?
Nothing else for now.
Okay, sir. I will send someone to pick up your laundry as soon as possible. Thank you for calling housekeeping department. Have a nice day and enjoy your stay.
Yeah, thank you.
Laundry service! Laundry service! Laundry service!
Good afternoon. Yes, you may come in.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Grace from Laundry Department. Here of your laundry. Well, I have your please. Can I have your clothes, sir?
Yes, sure.
Okay, sir. And I check your clothes if there's any damage.
Just check it, please.
I have one pants. Okay. Two gloves. Do you want to hang it or fold it?
Okay, just hang my pants and fold my blouses, please.
Do you want? It's a regular service or express service or dry clean. Delivered after 24 hours. While the express service will be delivered after 2 to 3 hours, a 50% charge. The dry clean service will be delivered after 24 hours, like regular service. What do you prefer, sir?
Express service, please.
After 2 to 3 hours.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. May I leave, sir?
Yeah, sure. You may leave.
Thank you.
After collecting and recording laundry, go straight to the laundry area, then sort and segregate the clothes according to fabric types, quality, and colors. After that, weigh the clothes because the weight of the clothes should be half the capacity of the machine, and the other half is water. Check the physical condition of the washing machine, plug, and the faucet if it is functional. Then put on the clothes and put on the laundry detergent and fabric conditioner. Then close the lid and turn on the power button. Then set the machine according to fabric type and guest request. Then let the machine do the process. The processes are sad, soap, wash, rinse, soften, and extract. After extracting, put the wash clothes to the clean laundry basket, then proceed to the dryer machine. Check the condition if it is functional and the plug. Then insert the clothes in the dryer and set it to maximum setting. After drying, get the dry clothes and put them in the clean laundry basket. Then proceed to the pressing area. In the pressing area, we have two types of pressing, the manual ironing and the steam pressing. After ironing, fold or hang the clothes according to guest request and stack it to the hanging area in sorting shelves. Then label and record the laundry items. Then it's ready to deliver.
Laundry service! Laundry service! Laundry service!
Good afternoon.
Sir, good afternoon. I'm Netchel from Laundry Department. I'm here to deliver your clothes. May I come in?
Yes, you may come in.
Sir, here is your clothes. Where do you want me to put it? On the wardrobe or on your bed?
Okay, just put it on my wardrobe, please.
Okay, sir. Which payment do you prefer? Cash or card?
Card payment, please.
Sir, please sign this form in order to process your payment.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Is there anything else that you need?
Nothing else.
Thank you and have a nice day. Please do enjoy your stay, sir. May I leave now?
Yeah, sure, you may leave.
Dali na, dali. Pick upin mo na.
Weekend yun. Nakakamalsek.
Ilunukin mo muna.
Is that correct? Yes. Today we are good.
Nawala na naman.
Which payment do you prefer? What? Okay, sir. Please sign. We are ba?
Additional 50% change.
Everything.